Welcome to Amandla Omnotho Business Talk Show.
It was a legacy left by the apartheid government.
Yeah.
It's very important that for business people, whether they are especially SMMEs, in doing business with developing countries, why do we still buy water that politicians drink in meetings from a company like Bidvest? The giants like China realizing that the US and Europe are losing the grip in the world economy, and Africa was a playground. Africa is indebted to Asia and Europe.
What contribution can you make to the Amandla Omnotho entrepreneurs, the SMMEs?